How to check sent request on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram app, tap on your profile icon, tap on this menu bar, tap on account center, tap on your informations and permissions, tap on download your information, then tap on download or transfer information. Select the account. Here I am choosing Instagram account. Tap next. Then it will ask you how much information do you want. Tap on some of your informations, then scroll down and tap on this followers and following. Tap next. Now you can have these two options. One is to download to device and next is to transfer to destination. If you want to transfer it to a destination, you have to select a destination and schedule your frequency. I am simply downloading it to my device here. Then tap next. Then what you have to do is create files. You can also change your format and media quality. Tap on create files. And the information will be sent it to your Gmail account. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you got any queries, feel free to comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.